Yesterday, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaraman, in an election campaign in Bihar, said, Bihar people will get the vaccines, COVID vaccines, if they vote for BJP. This is absolutely trash, my dear friends. It's unbecoming on part of Nirmala Sitaraman to mass bribe the people of Bihar on a sensitive issue like COVID vaccine. Friends, Mr. B.L. Santosh, their National General Secretary, goes on to add, free COVID vaccine promised by BJP Bihar in its poll manifesto gets huge traction, he says. Mr. Santosh, a sensitive issue like COVID vaccine, can it be used to gain traction in an election? I am ashamed that a people of your stature is the National General Secretary of a national party, and you treat Indians like guinea pigs and asking them to vote for BJP to get free vaccines. Mr. Santosh, you have forgotten that today as I speak 7.71 million Indians are affected with COVID. 77 lakh people have been affected. We have lost nearly 1,17,000 Indians have died due to this COVID. Even today, after 6 months, 55 to 60,000 people are getting affected every day. We are the second worst country after US in the whole world as far as number of cases of COVID are concerned. Crores of people have lost their jobs and their livelihood. The worst migration since independence has happened, where crores of people walked and lost their lives due to starvation, health issues when walking back to their villages. Economy is in shambles. Every one of us have lost our near and dear ones. And today, BJP shamelessly are using COVID vaccine as a poll tool to mass bribe people of a particular state. Aren't you ashamed of giving such a false promise? Don't you have a responsibility towards the rest of the nation? Do you mean to say that Indians should only vote for BJP to get a COVID vaccine? Will the order of preference of giving COVID vaccine be according to which state is going to go for elections? Tomorrow if some panchayat goes to poll or a ward municipality goes to poll, so you are going to give COVID vaccine there. Shame on your part. We didn't deserve, Indians don't deserve such an insensitive, thick-skinned government to rule us. People are watching you and people will give a befitting reply. How shameless can you be? People have suffered, we have lost lives, and you are shamelessly using COVID vaccine as a political tool to get votes. How shameless can you be? Mass bribing? What is the election commission doing? Shame, Modi. You should be ashamed. Please hang your head on shame. Today, Mr. Modi, you will say that COVID vaccine will be given on priority to states which are going for elections to revive your electoral fortunes. Tomorrow, you will say COVID vaccine will be given only to those who support your Manuvadi party BJP. The order of preference will be to those who support BJP next to those who don't support BJP. Who knows, Mr. Prime Minister, tomorrow your Manuvadi BJP government can even say that order of preference of getting a COVID vaccine will be on the hierarchy of Chaturvarna. The top of the hierarchy will get first, Dalits OBC will get last. This shows your Manuvadi tendency. This shows your divisive tendency. People are watching. Power is not eternal. What you do when in power is more important. When through your divisive politics like this, is not long before people will understand your true colors. Your nakedness is indeed nude, and people will throw you out of power in the coming days.